When you log into your textbook, you're going to see all of the textbooks that you have for eAchieve. If you want to go into math, you're going to find your math book and then to the right, click on Go to the online textbook. This will take you into the book. Now, if you see up top, you have some red tabs. There's book pages, student resources, and videos and activities. So if you just want to go to the book, you can either click on book pages and then you'll see you start on chapter 1, you're on page 2. You can either click through by going to the next or the previous button. You can type in a page number, or this is probably the way you'll use it. If you're in section 2-3, you can go to chapter 2. You could go to lesson 3 and hit the go button, and it will take you right to that section in the book. So now you're in the textbook online just like you would be in a textbook if you opened it up at your house. Therefore, you can read through the examples that they have. You can see the example that they would give you in the book along with the answer. So you can see how they got the answers. Okay. Once you want to go to the next page, you're going to click the next button. And you can do the same here. That's just like turning a page, is doing the next button. Okay, so then you can again look at some examples, look at the answers given, and make sure that you understand those. Also, if you guys notice on the side, there's some nice links over here. So what you can do is you can look at some examples. These are actually the video examples that I have in your lesson material, but if you want to do them through the book, that's fine too. And there's some interactive practice. Again, that's also what I've listed for you as a link in our lessons. But if you want to use it through the book, that's really cool too. And same thing with in student resources. If you go to the lesson resources, again, we said we were in 2-3, so I'm going to go to lesson 3. And I can find the links that are in my lesson right here from the textbook as well, like some interactive practice, the actual practice with the answer key. There's some additional problem solving. The Know It notebook is just your notebook that I use when I do class. It's your note-taking guide. And then there's a couple additional things like homework help and some intervention material. So they have that for every section. They also have, again, more additional videos. Some of them are in the lesson, some of them are not. So they don't have any interactive ones for 2-3, but they do have these for 2-3. And again, these are the 3 that would have been listed on the side of the page in the textbook. So that's how you would go about using your textbook. If you're struggling, what I would suggest is going to the book pages for section 2-3 or any section that you're struggling with and look over what they have in the book as help. And then if you need any more help, you can always email or call me and we can set something up.